Okay, very good morning, everyone. So, today we will discuss about the two value based questions which we have in our chapter number 14, Circle. So, first value based question, it is asking there is a path around a circular park of diameter 60.2 meter. During morning walk, a person completes 10 rounds around it. So, this is the circle. Okay, this is the circular path. Now, suppose there is a person. Okay, so that particular person is going for a morning walk. Okay, and the length of the diameter is given 60.2 meter. So this is the length of the diameter which it is given 60.2 meter. So the question is asking how much distance does he cover during the morning walk if he is doing 10 round every day. So first you have to find for one round how much distance he is covering. If you got the answer for one round, you can very easily find out for 10 round also by just multiplying with the required value. Okay, so the length of one round means what? The circumference of the circle. So starting from here, he is ending up in one round how much length he is covering. That first we will find out by finding the circumference of the circle. Here diameter is given 60.2 meter and we have to find the length of the circular park. Okay, that means circumference of the circle. Okay, this is the circular path. So let us find out the circumference of the circle. We know the formula to find out the circumference of a circle. Okay, so circumference of a circle will be when the diameter is given, then pi into diameter. So we know the formula to find out the circumference of a circle when diameter is given is equal to pi into diameter. So circumference is equal to pi into diameter. So now you will put the value of diameter which is 60.2. So the value of pi is 22/7 multiply 60.2, 60.2 meter. Okay, so now we will cancel out 7 and 60.2. So let us divide 60.2 by 7 and check how much it is coming. Okay, maybe the audio problem is there. Let me check. Okay, so 7 how many times is equal to 60 or less than 60? Let us see how many times it will cancel out. We know 7, 8 are 56. So 56 plus 4 is 60. And it will be then 42 and 7, 6 are 42. So 8.6 it will cancel out in 8.6 times. And then if you multiply 22 multiply 8.6, it will come 189.2 meter. That means 182.2 meter is the length of the circle, or you can say the length of the circular path. That means in one round is covering 189.2 meter of length. Then you have to find for 10 rounds. So in 10 rounds how much length he will cover, that we will find just by multiplying with 10. So we will write in one round the person is covering a distance 189.2 meter. Therefore, or so in 10 round he will cover 189.2 multiplied 10 is equal to 1892 meter. So 1892 meter total distance he will cover. So it's very simple. We will just very simply we will put the value of diameter and then cancel out. After multiplying we will get the value of the circumference, that means length of the circular path. After finding the length of the circular path, this is for one round. So in one round 189.2 meter is covering. So in 10 round you will cover 189.2 multiplied 10. So 10 times means 189.1892 meter, 1892 meter. If you write in kilometer and meter, then it will be 1 kilometer 892 meter. So this is how very simply we can find out that how much total distance he is covering in 10 rounds. So for one round, that means the circumference of the circle, then multiply by 10. So I hope you understood the value based questions number 1. Now let us discuss about the next questions which we have, which is the second value based question. So VVQ 2. So this is very simple. Diameter is given and we have find first circumference, and after finding circumference we have just multiplied that by 10 and we got the answer. Second question is asking radius is given. So the radius of a circular plot is 108.5 meter. It is to be covered by a boundary. That means we want to construct a boundary. That means the around the circle का जितना लेंथ है, circumference जितना है उतना हम लोग को बाउंड्री बनानी है, और ये दिए हुए हैं कि 1 मीटर वॉल का जो कंस्ट्रक्ट करने का कॉस्ट पड़ेगा दैट विल बी 510 रुपीज़. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मच लेंथ ऑफ द circle is. That means how much, what is the circumference of the circle. So we have learned how to find out the circumference of a circle when the radius is given. जब रेडियस दिए हुए रहते हैं तो हमें पता है कैसे हम लोग सर्कमफ्रेंस जो है दैट मीन्स द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द सर्कल हम लोग कैसे निकाल सकते हैं सर्कुलर प्लॉट का. तो यहाँ पे रेडियस इज गिवन 108.5 मीटर and we want to find out the circumference. So we know circumference when the radius is given is equal to 2 into pi into radius, so 2 pi r. Okay, so simply we will put the value of pi is equal to 22/7. So 2 multiply 22/7 multiply the value of r is 108.5 meter. So we will put 108.5 meter. So this is now, we will now cancel out 7 and 108.5. So it will cancel in how many times? 7, 1 are 7. Okay, then 3, 38. So 7, 5 are 35. 7, 5 are 35. Okay, so 5 times, then decimal, then 35, then 335 again. So 7, 5 are 35 again in 5 times. So 15.5 it will cancel out. And now if we multiply these all, so 2 multiply 22 multiply 15.5, then the product we will get is 682. So 682 meter. So this is the length of the circular plot. The length of the circular plot means circumference of the circle. Now you have to find for 682 meter how much cost it will be, because it is given that the cost for 1 meter is 510. So now you have to find the cost of total length of the circular plot, because now we got the length of the circular plot is equal to 682 meter. So now we will find, or we will write like this, ki the cost of constructing 1 meter wall is equal to 510 rupees. Therefore the cost of constructing 682 meter of wall, the cost, total cost of construction 682 meter of wall, 1 मीटर का 510 रुपया है. तो 682 का क्या हो जाएगा? 510 गुना 682. सो 510 रुपीज़ मल्टीप्लाई 682. सो रुपीज़ 510 multiply 682 meter. So if you multiply this, the answer will come 3,47,000 820. Okay, so the answer will come 3,47,820 rupees. So this is how very easily we can find out the second value based questions, where the radius of the circle is given, and first we will find the circumference of the circle, and after finding the circumference of the circle we will multiply with the cost for constructing of 1 meter of wall. So the cost of constructing for 1 meter it is given 510. So first we have got the total length of the circle or total length of the circular plot, and after finding the total length of the circular plot, just we have multiplied with the rate, because rate is given 510 rupees for 1 meter. So for 682 meter it will be 510 multiply 682 meter. So this is all about the second questions. This is how we can do this type of questions. So these are slightly different, but if you understand the questions, these are not so much difficult, because it is all about finding the circumference only. First is when the diameter is given, and second is when the radius is given, and after finding the circumference, just you have to find the cost, or you have to find the total length. So I hope now you can able to do these two questions, and related to this type of questions also you can solve by yourself. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone. Have a good time. Take care and bye bye.